Hello everyone, my name is Tina, and in this video I would like to introduce myself and to give some short background and my testimony about how I started knitting and why I keep loving it, and why I would like to encourage you to start your knitting process journey, and also I would like to share why I started this channel and what I would like to share with you here, what content you will find here. So let's jump into this topic. I started knitting when I was a little girl, and my mom would teach me techniques, the basics about the yarns, about sewing, these kind of things. But my mom was learning from all these magazines and tutorials, which were very complicated to me, and I was like, okay, I am not interested in all these. But I was always desiring to create something very beautiful. But as a little girl, I wasn't so precise, and so my knitted pieces were just not that beautiful. But I always had this desire in my heart to keep knitting and to create something very beautiful. Then I moved to another city, to the capital, and I started very difficult university studies, and I was so searching for something very creative, something very just a creative way to get all this stress out of me, from the studies, exams. I was very stressful, and I was searching for something very, very creative, something very peaceful, and to calm me down a little bit. And that's when my knitting desire came back. And I shopped some yarn. I had my needles, circular needles, but I didn't have the time, and also I just couldn't start it, and I didn't start it. Everything changed when COVID came, the COVID lockdown. When I was locked in my room, we couldn't go outside. Everybody knows this time, and I was really searching for things to do at my home, in my room, and I was like, okay, what to do now? I can't meet with anyone. So I opened my wardrobe, and there I found the yarn and the needles. So I was just thinking, okay, this is the time to start again this knitting process. And I really felt the presence of the Lord to telling me that, yes, this is a time for you to start this knitting, and I will help you, I will be with you, and we can do it together. So I was praying about it a lot, and I started to feel so filled up when I started knitting. And I didn't know what to knit and to whom, because I had purple yarn at home, and I think 3.5 millimeters circular needles at my home. So I was searching for some pattern to do something with that yarn, and I started to knit to my little niece, who was 1 year old at that time, a little pair of boots. You can see some photo about it, and she really liked it. And I was feeling that, okay, the Lord gave me this talent and this opportunity to start to work on it, because this is a thing that I can start gifting to people, the pieces that I create, the pieces that I knit. So I would like to encourage you that even if you don't have that money, or even if you don't have that big talent, this is something that you can give to someone. You only need one circular needle and one yarn, and you can start giving. So I would like to really encourage you with it. Then I was thinking that okay, I will shop some yarn and I will knit again something, and I knitted a scarf to my that time boyfriend. Right now he's my husband, and it was a very long process, a very long scarf, and it was the sign of this long distance relationship. Because of the lockdown we couldn't meet, and I could gift it to him, that okay, this is a scarf, I made it to you, and it was very special, and we knew the value of it, that okay, we couldn't meet, and I was thinking about you the whole time when I was knitting this scarf to you. It was you who I was thinking about, so it was very special. And also I would like to share with you why I started this channel, because that time I didn't have any other opportunity to learn from but YouTube and online, but mainly YouTube, because search a lot. I could find some very great channels, and YouTube was the place where I could find patterns and tutorials, that I could see someone teaching visually, and not just a magazine that okay, this is the pattern, and do this and this. And I was really encouraged that okay, I will help other people as well, because this is how I learned, and this is how I want to help others as well. So in my channel you can find patterns, tutorials, and I will be uploading new ones. I would like to share special ones with you. But as you know, I have now a little baby, and I spend all my time with him. That is why I can't be that consistent with the content I am uploading, but I would like to upload more and more. So you will be finding here tutorials, and please in the comment section, please leave your comment. What type of tutorials would you like to receive from me? Mainly these are baby clothes, because right now I am making only like baby clothes, but I want to start with adult clothes as well, for myself and for you. So yeah, this is something I wanted to share with you, and to think about it, pray about it, ask the Lord what He wants to do with your knitting, and what is that talent in you, your knitting talent, which is in you, because He sure has a plan. So that is what I would like to share with you right now. Feel free to comment, or I am on Instagram as well if you would like to follow for more ideas, inspiration. Thank you for your time, and have a very great day. Bye.